folks, I've got a baritone ukulele to show you today, number 678. It's a Mastergrade Myrtle baritone. And yeah, Myrtle is from here in Oregon, grows generally on the coast. It's a beautiful greenish brownish wood, and every once in a while you find a piece that looks like this. Just really amazing. I mean, look at that. Truly awesome. The neck is some salvaged fir. It's got a few beauty scars from its life as a floor joist. And I got some really nice pistachio for fretboard, headplate, and bridge. It was really fun to take this little sapwood idea and try to continue it there and down onto the bridge. This baritone is tuned with a high 4th string, a high D. Yeah, I really like it. Myrtle's a favorite tone wood of mine, and I'm happy to get to use it for an instrument like this. So, 678, ready to go. Cheers.